Hi, I'm submitting this as a video testimonial to the Healing Hands workshop that I took online with Mumtaz. I was introduced to her through a friend of mine who had met her for a similar workshop in person when Mumtaz lived in New York. Look to a greater energy to understand it and to kind of help me in really having as positive an energy as I could in my own life. So I think that that's one of the things that we've all been experiencing to an even greater degree over the course of 2 days. I worked with Mumtaz to do and learn and apply all of the practices that she teaches and really understand how our energies are connected, how our energies are connected to the greater energy, and just different strategies and things that we can do in our everyday lives to keep reaching towards our best self. So I would 100% recommend it. And she's an amazing person, and it was completely something that I felt like it changed my life in a very positive way. So thank you.